What in the fuck? What is the deal with this Twitch, man? In the opposite direction. What does that mean? Why does the hikers go in the opposite direction? How do I do that? Does it mean I have to start on the other side? I don't understand. It's fairly dry in here. This supposedly is the Tuesday trail, so I think we're going to go down the Tuesday trail. There's some wet spots, but it's for the most part, so I think we're just going to go ahead. Try to stream up here. We'll just try and stay off the dirt, and we'll just kind of stay on the sidelines so we don't dig into the dirt here, because that's what they don't want. They don't want you digging into the trail here. This is a kind of a test for the gimbal too today, for our new the Osmo Mobile 6 we got. Testing it on live stream. So we're just using we're not using the app. Here's a nice little jump hill for mountain bikes. So we're a little off the main trail. Just wanted to take this little side trail this time, because the walkers and runners and stuff will spook all the deer. So we're just going to take this little trail they got in here and see what it does. If the live stream holds up, maybe we'll just roll that for as long as we can. And see what we can see. If we see anything cool, then maybe we'll get some good video. So far the gimbal's working pretty good. We'll have to see how stable it is. So I'm going over a lot of rough terrain in here. Looks like there was a mountain bike that came through here. I don't know about running mountain bikes through here though. They want a mountain bike trail. This trail is going to get shredded. There's a little soft trail like this, unless they don't care if it's a little smushed down. But this trail hasn't been here very long. What is this thing? Some kind of nugget. So the one thing is going to be kind of tricky about doing these streams. Squirrel just shot out on me. So it looks like we're already on the other side of this trail by this pond. Looks like a big heron just took off from that pond over there. It's on the shoreline over there. We'll see if it's still there. But if this trail dries up and we get into our bike riding shape, still got a ways to go for that. Now that heron took off into the woods. So I think we can either go this way. This pretty much leads the way out. We can go that way toward the I don't know if you can go around the pond over there on the path. I'm just gonna cut through here. And there's a little path, another path up here. That's the high path for the mountain bikers. Yeah, I don't know what was going on with that bit rate when we first started. Just walked into a weed trap. Got tangled up in there. I wonder if they allow fishing in here. Because you probably get some, maybe some bluegill and some bass or something. I just saw a fish move in the water. Unless that was the wind. Could have been a carp sitting on the edge here. Unless this is like a carp pond. I thought I saw fish move in here. Nice little pond. There's a heron here. It could mean that there's fish in here. They might eat frogs too, though, so. But if there's a pond, there should be fish. Let's walk around this side. See if I can find seen a lot of this stamped down prairie grass. So when this stuff starts growing back again, I'm assuming this is going to make some pretty high prairie grass in here, unless they mow it down, we'll be able to get through. But this stuff can grow pretty high. The trail. See if there's a trail back here by this big hill. This phone isn't sitting straight right now because I think because of my lanyard. Forest Preserve District. But those concrete things are usually pretty old. So I wonder if this was out of the trail in here or district. Let's see what happens if we go down here. There's a big hill out here I'd like to climb. If I can. I'm gonna have to get into IRL shape real quick. Cover this up with some rocks here. If they're gonna let mountain bikes go through here, this is gonna get tore up, like I said. You really need like a light layer of gravel for these trails to hold up. And if it dries up and gets harder, that should help. So this trail just goes around the pond. Let's see if we see any fish in here. If there were bluegill and stuff or carp, you'd see them along the shoreline, but the water's still pretty cold. See how cold it is. It's pretty, still feels kind of cold to the touch, so it seems like it would still be a little below air temperature still. Alright, let's go this way. Gimbal seems to be performing pretty well here on its own with no app. So this just goes back around. I don't know if there's a trail over there on that side too. And then I don't know if this is a real trail here. Oh yeah, this is mountain bike trail to go up this hill. Walkers are supposed to okay, are we back? Looks like we lost our signal a little bit. Let's walk up here a little. I see a trail marker down there. So this goes around. Not exactly sure where this would go back here. I haven't seen anyone walk on this yet. Let's see if this sign tells us anything. Mountain bikes. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. So apparently mountain bikes are not allowed on Tuesday and Thursday. They want us to go in, they're supposed to go in the opposite direction. But we started out on the other side. I don't know if we should go down here or if we should try and climb that. I think that's just like a up and down hill for the mountain bikers. Doesn't look like it goes, just goes kind of up and down that hill. Hopefully our stream will keep going. It's been cutting out, but in the opposite direction of mountain bikers, so that to go in the same direction. So that would be kind of a tough walk up over there. Almost stepped in the ditch right there. The phone keeps turning to the right on it. Get its back.